Well, good morning everybody. Thanks for joining me again. As you can see, I'm back at the pool and there's a full moon which is just about to set over there. So that's what I've come to try and photograph. It's meant to set somewhere beyond the end of the breakwater, and I'm hoping to get a telephoto shot of the end of the breakwater with a large moon somewhere behind it. Not sure if it's going to work. The tide's a bit higher than I thought it was going to be. I was hoping to get a little bit further along the coast here, but I'll show you. As you can see, the tide is well in, so the spot I want to get to is underwater at the moment. So this is probably about as far as I'm going to get, but as you can see, I'm sure I can make something of this. Also, there's some seals just swimming past, and I can see in the distance some dolphins going past as well. So once I've done this, I might head out and see what else I can find. Right, let's get on with this shot. Well, I don't know if you can see this, but the moon is just about to set. It's not as far to the right as I would have liked. I could have done with being a bit further around the coast. But it's been good to be out. I've taken some photographs, nothing for the portfolio, but it's been good fun being out. And I'll show you the image that I can see in the camera. But I think it's time for breakfast now. Thanks for joining me again. Hopefully I'll see you again next Sunday. But for now, cheerio. Well, I'm really not feeling it this morning. I'm sure some of you photographers will know the feeling. I'm out. I'm enjoying being out, but my photography skills have eluded me this morning. But we'll take some shots, see what I get. You sometimes just have days like this. Well, I thought it would be a good idea to keep the camera around. On the way back, I've just spotted these cormorants fishing, but look at the reflections on the water. If I can get a good shot of the cormorant in amongst that, then I might have a photograph. Well, I think this time that really is time for breakfast. As you can see, there's been some nice shots around the harbour, so that's made up for my lack of inspiration earlier. Anyway, thank you again. I'll see you next week. For now, cheerio.